Welcome to another episode of SaaS TV. This is a pleasant surprise. I just got back to my office at UC Berkeley, and I found that some of my colleagues from Splunk happened to be visiting today, which I didn't know about, including two former graduate students of mine, Archana Ganapathy sitting to my right, and Steve Zhang standing behind. Why don't you guys introduce yourselves and tell us what you do at Splunk?
I'm Archana. I'm a research engineer working on big data analytics.
I'm Steve. I'm the Director of Search and Data Analytics at Splunk. Been there almost 5 years.
I'm Steven Sorkin. I'm the VP of Engineering at Splunk.
And I'm Andrew Robbins. I direct the client engineering team.
And now how about for those people who haven't heard of Splunk before, somebody want to give us a quick overview? How about Steven?
We try to make data available and useful to everyone throughout the enterprise. Primarily machine-generated data, so log files, system metrics, data from networks. At first, we appealed mainly to the IT user for troubleshooting, application management, security and compliance use cases. But as time goes by, we found that this data is useful to everyone in the organization.
So you're saying instead of writing broken Perl scripts and bash scripts to parse logs from all different applications, that there's maybe actually a better way to do this?
That's our hope. That's our sincere hope.
Archana or Steve, do you want to talk about how this fits with software as a service, and what are some of the things Splunk is doing now that might be of interest, not just to sort of IT people, but people who are app developers and operators?
Well, Splunk is really geared towards machine data, time series textual data, for example, log data. And so software as a service, usually you end up generating logs which are not generally readily available because you're operating on a platform that does not give you visibility into those. But logs usually can capture a much richer set of information that can be done through outside monitoring or operating system level metrics. And so really, if you're if you're building an app as a service and you want to log, say, everything that your customers are doing in terms of interacting with an app and have access to that data to run, to check for availability, to improve your user interface, to do general business intelligence tasks, that's something that can be much easier done through Splunk than otherwise.
So, Archana, do you want to give us some examples of the kinds of things that SaaS apps might want to use Splunk for?
Sure, absolutely. There's a whole spectrum ranging from monitoring just to see if your nodes are up or down, check their health, all the way ranging to, let's say, web analytics, for instance. You're looking at the number of hits to your website and, what portions, what segments of your web page are most popular and which ones aren't, and what properties on your web page seem to be most interesting to users. So there's a wide range of things you can do.
It sounds like it beats the hell out of writing Perl scripts.
Absolutely.
Andrew, my understanding is that Splunk is now readying a cloud-based offering that's supposed to make it even easier to use. Do you want to tell us a little bit about what that's going to be like?
Yeah, our colleagues at Splunk are working on a project called Storm, which is taking the pretty much the same Splunk instance that you would normally install into your enterprise and getting it onto the cloud.
Mm-hmm.
And it's great. It simplifies a lot of the management of the instance and takes away a lot of the details and complexities and lets you focus on the actual exploration of your data in a clean and
So I can get my logs and stuff analyzed pretty much without installing any software on
Exactly.
machines that I operate.
Exactly.
That sounds great. Is there a place where people could learn more about this wonderful, what sounds like a pre-public beta something?
SplunkStorm.com.
SplunkStorm.com. Okay, folks, you heard it. Stop writing Perl scripts and start getting more value out of the machine data you already collect. Thank you very much to the Splunk team, and thank you for watching SaaS TV.
Thank you, Armando.
Thank you.